Oh yeah, pose, inke, pose. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl MzJwan, and I'm back with another quick, easy and affordable makeup tutorial. I'm starting off with my blackout primer on my face. It helps to keep my face matte, and I went ahead and applied my LA Girl Pro HD powder in the shade Toffee just to set the primer in. Of course, oily skin, can't risk it. And I went ahead and applied my foundation, the shade Toast from LA Girl, and I'm buffing everything in using the new Bethmien beauty blender. I rave about beauty blenders, yeah, I know, but I think for now this is my last stop. So it's very good, it blends in well. You can see the skin, man. You guys have to get yourself some. I'm applying my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan just to highlight my important places on my face. Yeah. I went ahead and I did my eyebrows whilst I was waiting for the concealer to set a little bit, and I concealed my eyebrows as usual. And I went ahead and applied the beauty blender just to blend in the concealer. This beauty blender makes blending easy. Oh, you have to get yourself some. And also I used the foundation area just to blend out the concealed area so I wouldn't have any harsh lines. After this, I set my whole face with a toffee powder from LA Girl, and right now I'm looking like a ghost, I know, but I'm going to set my face. I'm going to contour my face with a darker shade, and my LA Girl powder is broken, as you can see, so I mixed both the LA Girl and then the Maybelline powder in the shade Cacao just to achieve those cheekbones. And I just press the brush for a quick nose contour. To set all of this, I'm using the hydrating rose water mist from Lookx Artistry to set my face. You can use any certain spray that you have. For my eyeshadow, I went in with the cacao powder from Maybelline and applied that in my crease. For my lid color, I used the toffee powder from LA Girl. Then I went back in with the cacao powder just to blend everything together. For eyeliner, I used the black Radiance eyeliner, and for mascara, I used the Zaron volumizing mascara. I'll be doing a tutorial on how to volumize your own lashes without fixing faux lashes, so stay tuned. So I went ahead and I smoked out my lower lash line with the same cacao powder from Maybelline. And for glow, I'm using the Colorbox 24K Gold Loose Highlighter. One great thing about this highlighter is it melts into the skin. So you can apply with your fingertips as you just watch it melt right into the skin. And this step is optional. But for me, I have to glow here and there. If I have to blind people, I will choose to blind people. But in this tutorial, it's very, very simple, quick and easy. So it's optional. You don't have to do it if you don't want to. And for lips, I'm lining my lips with this brown pencil from Rimmel, and I went ahead and applied a lip gloss from Classic Cosmetics. So this is the finished look, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. 9 to 5 just to make that